Hi, everybody. So, we are back at Palm Ridge Villa in St. John's Heights on the outskirts of Spanish Town. And today we are checking out their open house. So, if you're interested in seeing more, please go ahead and stick around.
Come on first.
Okay, everybody, thank you so much for sticking around for this video. Now, back in August, when we first featured Palm Ridge Villas, so many persons were interested in this development. So I thought that you guys would love an update on the progress of this development. And look at this. This is actually the entryway of the development, which is now about 90% complete. Additionally, there are units getting ready for handover in a few months, but the greatest news is that there's still units available. So I'm just going to show you a little progress update as well as show you a breakdown of the units so you see what you are getting for your money. Okay, so we are at the entrance of Palm Ridge Villa, and as I told you before, it is about, well, over 90% complete. So this is the beautiful entryway that will greet you as you come home to Palm Ridge Villa. Really nice, isn't it? So in my previous video, I gave you guys a detailed tour of this unit, and this is actually the model unit. So today is actually an open house, and you can see like this was just when persons were just coming in, and I should tell you like there were so many persons here on the day of the open house to show you like there is just such great interest in this unit. So this right here is the primary bedroom. Yes, really large. Large windows as well. Great for ventilation, as we pointed out the last time. The primary bedroom comes with its ensuite, and the ensuite features his and hers sink right here. Additionally, you have your nice shower. Look how large this is. And then this is the walk-in closet for the primary bedroom, and it's extremely spacious. I should tell you guys that. So on exiting the primary bedroom, there is a linen closet available to the left before entering the living room area. So here we have the first of the secondary bedroom. This bedroom features a closet area. Here we have the ceiling fan, and this unit, the model unit, is actually outfitted with AC. All right, so here we have the closet space. See, this is actually very roomy. I think this is much roomier than a lot of the units that are currently on the market. So indeed a value for money, and it leads out to the bathroom that is shared for the two secondary bedrooms. So we have a bathroom that is shared, and this is the lovely bathroom right here. You will see that this too is larger than a lot of the units that are currently on the market. And you guys know what's on the market too, because if you're a house hunter, you know exactly what's going on with the market. And I always say when I visit this unit, this bedroom is actually my favorite. Yeah, this one is my favorite. I don't know. It's just like so cute how they have staged it. It's so really nice and refreshing. And I should tell you, like, even today on the visit, there was so much wind, and it has to do with the cold front, but also with St. John's Heights, the general area. It's really cool. It's really cool. Whenever I visit, I always notice how really mild the temperature is in comparison. So here is the little pantry area that is on your way to the kitchen. You also have room for your washer dryer combo over here. And the last time we visited, they had not staged the study area that is available, but there it is. And here is your little wash area as well. Outside, there is a 400-gallon tank. This tank is being given as an amenity with all units. So not just the 3 bedrooms, the 2 bedrooms as well. So each unit will be given a tank for water storage. Okay, so this is the wider surrounding area where we can check out what is going on with the rest of the development. So the model unit actually sits on top of a hill. Remember, the community is called St. John's Heights, so there are a lot of scenic views available. So in the distance, you can see what's going on with the rest of the development. So if we go ahead and take a walk here, we will see. So that's the back of the model unit that you're seeing there. And this is the surrounding area. So some units in the latter phase will actually be on a more elevated lot. That's what I was told. So here we can get a broader appreciation of the wider community and just what is going on with the development. Remember, as I said, some units are getting ready for handover, but it's still not too late for you if you're interested in this development. There are still units available, but I would advise you to call as soon as possible because there is so much interest in this development, and why shouldn't there be? Like, look at the great value that you are getting for your money. So here we can see the wider development, what is going on with the rest of Palmridge Villa. In the far distance, you'll see the entrance gate that we were at in the beginning of the video. But overall, it's just amazing scenic views here from Palmridge Villas located in St. John's Heights. So let's go over what's available to you at Palmridge Villas. You will be getting to choose between a 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit or a 3-bedroom, 3-bath unit. 2-bedroom, 2-bath units are 1,100 square feet, while the 3-bedroom, 2-bath is 1,300 square feet. Each unit will be on a minimum of a 4,000 square feet lot. They will feature walk-in closet, porcelain tiles, double sink in the master bath, as well as glass shower enclosures, inline water heater, granite countertops, as well as smart home features. Provisions for AC units are available with each unit, as well as ceiling fans, a 400-gallon water tank. It's a gated community with a jogging trail and kid-friendly area. So please remember, the 2-bedroom units are starting at $29.5 million. And I think it's just great value for money. So This is one you need to get on really fast because they are going really fast. But until my next video, continue to stay safe and see you soon. Have a great day, everyone.